How to latch a baby correctly. Steps. Hold your breast with your hand. Tickle baby's lips with the nipple. Wait for a wide open mouth. Bring baby to your breast, not breast to baby. Baby's mouth should cover most of the areola, not just the nipple. Chin should touch the breast, nose free. Signs of a good latch. No pain. Baby's lips are turned out. You hear swallowing. Baby looks calm and satisfied. That's it, mama. Keep practicing and don't give up. If this video helped you, like it, comment any questions below, and subscribe for more tips from me, Midwife Chiamaka. You've got this.